Welcome back, everyone. I hope that y'all doing well, staying safe, and welcome back. So, recently got in contact with like a YouTuber out in this area too, who does videos, and we were gonna like meet up and go for a ride and stuff like that. But so I had thought that everything was gonna get shut down a couple days prior to it getting shut down, and like everything like essentially got shut down today, except for like essential businesses. And but anyway, so we were gonna go for a ride, and I ended up having to go to work, so we weren't able to do that. But the homeboy, you know, who out here, go check out his channel. It's Ninja Boy 636. Tell him Donkey sent you. And yeah, say what's up to the homie. So also though too is anybody trying to see me ramp fire pits on the mini bike, because I can make that happen. I can definitely make that happen, because I'm thinking about building a ramp now that everything's getting shut down. I'm thinking about building a ramp, and I am so down to ramp some fire pits if y'all want. Well, I'm gonna record it. I'm gonna ramp fire pits regardless if you guys want to see it or not. But if y'all want to see it, I'll record it. But yeah, so I mean, you know, mini bike ramps. Another thing too. So with like the progression of my channel and stuff like that too, I'm thinking about implementing like another like kind of like series to go like spread love, and I'm going to call it like Random Radness, right? Random Radness, or Random Dose of Radness, something like that, something along those lines. And you know, I'm going to go and like, you know, do something for someone less fortunate than myself, and make like a series of it. Because I definitely been thinking, like, even before I even started this channel, that I was like, if I had the ability to help out more people, I would. And so as this channel progresses, figure and take y'all along with me with some of that. And then also too is like, if the channel starts to like grow, I can end up like being able to provide more too, so that would be like super awesome. Pretty stoked about that. I'm definitely thinking of starting like, so that way I would have like essentially like my moto vlog series, my mini bike series, and then the Random Radness series, and you know, have some more stuff and way of content for like everybody to like watch and enjoy and whatnot. Make yourself feel good with some Random Radness. See the all warm and fuzzies all up in your palace. Yeah, I forgot to tell you too, I got some more batteries too, so it won't be so bad when like the whole battery's dying. Yeah, it's good. Now it's just gonna be my fault. I can't blame it on the battery anymore. But and then after I drop off the wall, I got a couple of things I got to take care of. And today it's cold. There's no other way to put it around. It's like 50 degrees, and my hands are starting to go numb. But we out here though. I got to go drop off a wallet today. Go take a wallet, try to get some stuff going on that Random Radness. I was going to make the first episode actually today, but I gotta wait until I could get my paycheck from work. I just had a couple bills go out, so I gotta wait until I get some more funds, and then I'm gonna go and get a couple cards, like gift cards for like I don't know, like 15 bucks from like McDonald's, and then I need to get a warm winter coat for a male, because I have a warm winter coat for a female already, and then I'm gonna go hook some folks up. So that'll be most likely the next video I put up after this one, but don't know yet. So that's that, you know, a little bit of an update. I definitely want to like try to spread like more good vibes and stuff like that as this channel starts to grow, because you know, you can help somebody else's situation out. Way cooler. Another thing too is like as the channel starts to grow too, with like, you know, certain like I guess what you could call them mile markers, if like, you know, if we hit them or whatever, like, you know, 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, etc. I definitely like have some things in mind to do for like special videos for like those kind of like mile marker type stuff. So that'd be pretty good. So like, you know, getting things kind of going, you know, a little bit of planning ahead here. Shit, I was supposed to get off right there. Well, I took a wrong turn. Oh yeah, also though too is I plan on doing more things of the Breaking Bad stuff, like Jesse Pinkman's residence. I swear, I thought I changed the battery. I thought I changed it, I promise, but I'm willing to bet I changed it to a battery that was already dead. Man, your boy dumb. But anyway, I have more stuff planned for the Breaking Bad episodes to come up too. So, that, for sure. Dang, yo, someone hit a pole last night, dude. That guy was all up in his nose, bro. He was like, I need to get some of this gold to share with the townsfolk. Every time I see that symbol right there, the Grateful Dead, I don't know why, but I always think of Halo. Like, you know, like the oddball from Halo. These are some cool houses. That thing. It's like a mothership. Yeah, that's the octopus car wash from Breaking Bad. They like, I forget who worked at it. I think it was like somebody, you know, that guy with the face. Hey, motor pickle. Boy. Thanks, man. Thanks, dude.
Give me the finger.
Oh yeah, man. Look me up on YouTube, man. Donkey Moto.
Okay.
Right on. Hell yeah, dude. I made that guy's day. That's the first time I've had that. I'm pretty sure I'm going the right way now. I'm willing to bet that's probably not the first time somebody's taken a picture of me, but definitely that's the first time somebody's taken a picture of me with me knowing about it. I've seen like people recording me on Snapchat and stuff like that before. Hey, there's that R6 again. That guy's got an R6. He's got an R6. Hey, you know what? I think I know that guy. I think that's Eric. Thinking about it, Eric just bought an R6. Oh man, I got the Rona. Alrighty everyone, I think that's probably going to do it for today. Hope that everybody enjoyed, and if you did, smash that like button. It actually like helps out a lot. And also hit the subscribe, drop a comment if you want, and say what's up, what have you. I hope that y'all are doing well. Hope that y'all are staying safe and healthy. And if you guys want to see some mini bike fire pit ramping, and then me random radness, you know, like, say that in the comments. I mean, regardless, I'm gonna make some of the videos too, but those of you that for sure want to see that stuff, let me know, because will make that happen. I will make that happen. But yeah, so I hope that all of y'all enjoyed, and I hope that you guys have a super awesome day, and take care of yourself.
Ah, darn, it ended.